How to fix Instagram automatically closes. Hello guys, in today's new short video or tutorial I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Instagram automatically closes. So the first way is go to the settings on your phone, scroll down, go to the apps, wait a few seconds, it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. After it loaded, then all what you have to do now is very simple. Just scroll. Let's wait a few seconds more. Okay. Let's click. Okay. Scroll until you find Instagram. Click on force stop. That's the first way. And the second way is go to the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled. And the third way is go to the storage and click on clear cache and clear data. Don't forget to like and subscribe.